quite well. A wish for a wishing well. And every coin that fell would pray for winds to wash it all away.
Just more proof that great music is a universal language in itself, overcomes every barrier that you can think of. And speaking of universal, sort of worldwide music, band now from Finland, because I don't have that much time. It's a quickie song by the band Pint and We Four. This is Duck. Duck! No
1,
goose.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Duck. Slightly mad, erotic, baby. I hang myself and myself on you. It's never supposed to be like this. I hit the world at times, you're not mine to kiss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now stop the stupidity and the mega fears. Cause the jealousy and we did. But this is deep, I got you nothing speak. I know you're pretty soon and me. Now what's so wrong with me, baby? I don't make our lives our hell and heat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now stop the stupidity and the mega fears. Lost the jealousy and we stupidity and the mega fears. Lost the jealousy and we duck. Stupidity and the mega fears. Positive and yes. Lost the jealousy and we stupidity and the mega fears. Positive and yes. Lost the jealousy and we
Pint and We Four there with the track Duck, Duck. They're one of those cool bands that actually put their music online for anyone to get for free. So I have to, clap, clap, clap for that. Great band. Definitely check them out. I think they're on hiatus at the moment. They're all having kids or something like that. I don't know. I think kids get in the way of a great rock and roll lifestyle, but that's probably why I don't have kids. I talk too much. I'm going to stop now. We don't have that much time left. One more song, and then Mitchell will be taking over with the Same More radio show, which is on every Tuesday from 7 till 8. Local news and Filipino music news, and I'm getting my words all mixed up. It's kind of international, a little bit like this show was tonight. I'm going to finish now with one last track. It's a pretty rare one, another one that's a vinyl rip from a band called The Features. And before I go, I'm going to say another little hello to Molly Dockett way up north. I hope you are doing well in this new year. And I don't know what the weather's like up there, but it's a bit average here, so hopefully it's not too hot for you and you're chilling. Also, Butch Montserrat, who is tuning in early. Well, he better be tuning in early because I'm expecting him to be tuned in early to listen to the next show. Okay, I will be back next Tuesday from 6 o'clock with just one coffee under my belt like I have had tonight. This is now The Features and a funny, funny track. It's a great one. Floozy of the Neighbourhood. I think we all know one. I'm not one of them. But yeah, enjoy this one.
Everyone knows it, including your relation. I guess it's 'cause you always get what you want.
Bonsoir FM plays the 70s till now, overnight until 10 a.m, and features special language programs across the workday and all day Sunday.